you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how I make my keto coffee. Some people add butter, but this is what I add. It's really simple. So we just have our I want to do this video because I'm making my coffee right now, but don't mind my siblings in the background making noise. This is just some instant coffee. Whatever instant coffee you have is fine. Then I have sugar-free creamer. I'm gonna add some MCT oil. Like I said, some people add butter, but that's what I'm gonna add. And to sweeten it, because I don't like black coffee, so we're gonna use some stevia packets, or you can use the liquid stevia. And I'm only using one because this thing is strong, okay? So we're gonna add our hot water in right now. Okay. Then just maybe half a teaspoon of instant coffee. All right. We're gonna add like a tablespoon of creamer. Okay. Teaspoon of MCT oil. Not even that much, half a teaspoon. All right. Then we're gonna add one stevia packet, or whatever sweetener you have is fine. Sweeten it to your taste, and we're gonna mix. And that's it, guys. That's my keto coffee. It's so simple. People like to complicate stuff, but no, it's that simple, sis. You can even use it when it's pulled down to make like a Frappuccino or something, but my grandma on my cup. There you go. There it is. Fire. Okay, there's the oil all gone. I mean, it's still there a little bit, but for the most part, it's gone. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Right? Bomb.